Hi guys, welcome to the Studentship YouTube channel. In this video, I will walk you through how you can upload your O-level result on the JAMB CAPS portal. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel. It is necessary that every student who is applying to the university, polytechnic, or college of education upload their O-level results on the JAMB CAPS portal. I'm talking about WAEC or NECO results. It's very crucial. And there are two ways you can upload your JAMB result. That is during your JAMB registration and after your JAMB registration. So probably I want to assume that you are among the second category of students, that is students who use awaiting results during their JAMB registration, because this window allows you to upload your result now that you've seen your WAEC or NECO result. Because if you don't upload this result, then you can't get admission later, and that is just the basis for why you have to upload this result. And you upload your result on the JAMB CAPS portal. The JAMB CAPS means Central Admission Processing System. This is a system that controls the admission processes in Nigeria. If your result is not on this JAMB CAPS portal, then you can't get admission later. And admission letter is what satisfies that you have gotten admission for your institution, whether university or the polytechnic. Something that is very important I need to tell you right now is that you cannot use your phone to upload your O-level result on the JAMB CAPS portal. So you can't use your Android, your iPhone to upload your result on the JAMB CAPS portal. You can only upload your WAEC or your NECO result on the JAMB CAPS portal by visiting a CBT center, an accredited CBT center. It's advisable to go back to where you did your registration and inform them that you want to upload your O-level result. So the way you do this is you visit the CBT center, you inform the officer in charge, you inform him or her that you want to upload your O-level result. And of course, you should go with a slip, like your O-level result slip. It is not necessary that you go with your original O-level result, so you don't need to bother about going with your original WAEC or your NECO result. You can use your result printouts for this process. And when you get there, you're requested to pay a certain amount of money, usually 500 naira to 1000 naira for the process. By the time you do this, then your result will be uploaded on the JAMB CAPS portal. Now the question is, how long does it take for this uploaded result to reflect on the JAMB CAPS portal? Because the result does not reflect immediately. It can take between 1 to 2 weeks or 3 weeks depending on the JAMB system. But when you follow this process at a accredited JAMB center, you should be rest assured that your result is going to reflect. There's a way you can confirm if your result is on the JAMB CAPS portal. So most of the time, the officer at the JAMB office might make an error. Instead of C5 in biology, you might input C4 in biology, and that can affect your admission. So it is necessary that you confirm your O-level result. And the way to do it is simple. Click on the link in the description of this video to see how you can confirm your O-level result. I have provided a direct link that you can use in accessing the JAMB CAPS to confirm your O-level result. If you have any question, do let me know in the comments and I will assist you as soon as possible. Like this video and subscribe to this channel.